Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab in Patriot Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D6747.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.